Hi, good afternoon, everybody. Now, in this video, I want to share with you how you could trade these MGM stocks listed in the Wall Street, New York Stock Exchange. Okay, now let's take a look at the stock price performance. Now, you could see MGM stock was plummeted, was a hit. Okay, was hit, and its business was hit by this coronavirus. So a lot of their casino businesses in Macau is under pressure. No visitor. Okay, no visitor. So the earnings going forward is expected to be bad. Not only MGM, Win as well. So a lot of these casino stocks in Macau basically are in trouble right now. What you can see here is from a price of about 30 US dollar, the stock has broken an important support and fell all the way down to $18. Now, for those of you who are familiar with shorting the stock market, you can short at 30 US dollar and buy back 18 US dollar. But that will give you only about 30 to 40% kind of return on investment. Now, what I want to show you is how you can use option, okay, to make more from that plunge, okay, in MGM. So this is, let me turn up my magnifier so that you could see the P&L. Now, this is what I've done with MGM, okay. So on that day when it break out, I have actually bought a put option, okay, on MGM. That is to buy that, not to buy that, is to bet that MGM is going to go down, okay, break the support and go down. Go down to how far? Okay, not that I could predict. But most importantly is I buy MGM to go down. So all I did was to initiate one contract, okay, and then this is my average price, $1.58. Okay, $1.58 in terms of options, I would have to put up a cost of 158 US dollars. That's all. I don't even need to put up 3,000 US dollar or 2,000 US dollar. Just 158 US dollar. And this is my limited risk. That means if MGM didn't go down and go up, okay, the share price is $30. So if it goes up all the way to $300, the maximum I will lose is still $158. Okay, even if it goes to 1,000 US dollar per share, my loss will still be $158. Therefore, this is what I call limited risk. Okay, now what about the profit? Since I'm right about the direction, MGM indeed go down. So this is what the last done of the contract was, $10.60. Okay, can you imagine that? From $1.58 where I buy, the contract now is worth $10.60. Okay, you surely don't get this kind of return by trading the Singapore stocks or the Bursa stocks. For a stock like Franken, like EEM, from 150 go to 1060, maybe 10 years, 20 years later. But in options, the world of options, take a look at my profit. 897 US dollar unrealized profit. Okay, just by risking $158, I am making $897. That is close to about 800% return in just one trade, one contract with a limited cost of $158. So if you want to know how to trade options, okay, I welcome you to come to the workshop and learn, and then hopefully this knowledge can help you turbocharge your investment return. Right, thank you very much. I'll see you at the workshop.